So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to the Manila Symphony Junior Orchestra under the baton of conductor Professor Jeffrey Solares and Los Cantantes de Manila together with their director, Mr. Darwin Vargas.
Tonight is a special night. Tonight, we honor our partners, our Ortigas Land partners. We honor our local government partner, the City of San Juan, led by Mayor Francis Zamora, Vice Mayor Agkawili. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Lahat ng tumatangkilik sa GH Mall, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Enjoy the shopping experience, enjoy the dining experience, and I know that Green Hills Mall will continue to evolve. Alam kong gaganda pa ito at sana maabutan ko yung patuloy ninyong paglaki. Muli, maraming salamat po. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
As we light the Christmas tree tonight, may it inspire joy, hope, and unity to all. And on theme, holidays around the world reflects that EVA stands for bringing people, places, and cultures together through care and connection. This year, we are so proud to celebrate our such another achievement.
I'd like to greet everyone a wonderful evening. It's so lovely to be spending the time here in a peaceful community together with lovely people.
Again, thank you to our partners, the San Juan City, EVA Air, and RCBC. Thank you and good evening.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
From our EVA family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko. Thank you.